For many working-class Canadians, rising costs make every dollar count. That's where the GST, HST credit comes in. This credit is meant to support individuals and families with lower or modest incomes. If you qualify, you'll receive payments from the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, every 3 months. What is the GST, HST tax credit? The GST, HST credit is a tax-free payment issued by the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, to help reduce the financial burden of GST and HST on qualifying Canadians. Payments are made 4 times a year and are based on your family's net income from the previous tax year. You don't have to apply for the GST, HST credit each year. When you file your income tax return, the CRA automatically reviews your information to determine whether you're eligible. If you qualify, the payments are deposited quarterly. Remember, you don't need to include these payments on your tax return. They're not considered taxable income and won't affect any other benefits you receive. GST, HST credit eligibility. To qualify for the GST, HST credit, you must be a resident of Canada and meet one or more of the following conditions. You're at least 19 years old. You have, or had, a spouse or common law partner. You're a parent who lives, or lived, with your child. If you share custody, each parent may be eligible for half the credit. Keep in mind, credit eligibility is also based on your family's net income from the previous year. The CRA updates the amount you receive each year based on any changes to your income or personal situation. Here's a rundown of the maximum income to be eligible for the credit if you're single, sourced from the Canada Revenue Agency. And here are the maximums for those who are married or common law. You may not qualify for the GST, HST credit if any of the following apply. You are not considered a resident of Canada. You're exempt from paying tax. You're serving 90 consecutive days or more in prison or a similar institution. The intended recipient of the credit is deceased.